Vinegar and lemon juice work well as immediate, natural repellents to break ant scent trails and deter entry. For ongoing prevention, use white vinegar or fresh lemon juice diluted half and half with water to wipe counters, baseboards, and door thresholds because the acid disrupts pheromone trails ants use to navigate. Keep food sealed in sturdy containers and clean crumbs and spills promptly since ants follow even tiny food residues. Create barriers by sprinkling ground cinnamon, cayenne powder, or pure diatomaceous earth at entry points and under doors. These substances irritate or physically interfere with ants, so they avoid crossing. Trim vegetation and tree branches that touch the house and seal gaps around pipes and windows to remove convenient highways and entry points. Remove standing water and fix leaks because many ant species are attracted to moisture and will nest nearby. Rotate repellents every few weeks and after heavy rain so ants do not habituate to a single scent and so the barriers remain effective. A common mistake is relying solely on one method like a single spray or a single spice, which often reduces effectiveness because ants adapt, so combine cleaning with barriers and habitat modification. People often ignore small gaps or utility penetrations and then wonder why ants reappear. Seal cracks with caulk and use foam for larger voids to deny access. Another problem is attracting ants with open compost, pet food, or exposed fruit. Store attractants in sealed bins and clean pet feeding areas after each meal to eliminate food cues. BigHomeProjects.com links homeowners with local contractors and provides a community forum where we discuss tips, share experiences, and compare approaches to problems like ant control. We help contractors find projects by connecting them with homeowners seeking services, while our discussion community keeps practical advice flowing between professionals and residents.